Alright, this is a floor jack that I picked up a few months ago. Someone threw it out in the trash. Had a little pin inside this that hits the gear down there. It was broken. So I got a nail in it right now. I got to get me a new one. But it works still. Alrighty guys. It's a few days later now. I got my headache rack done on my truck. How's that look? It looks pretty good. I got 2 more bolts to put in the center, but we got to dump this bed load off of it first so I can raise the bed to get to them. And we might have to touch up that paint a little bit because I didn't wait for it to dry to put it on. I messed it up a little bit putting it on, but it looks pretty sweet. Better than that wooden crap I had on there before. I'm going to put a wooden 2x8 down along the bottom of it though to keep stuff from going down between there. So anyway, right now we got out we're gonna mow a few yards today here in town if it don't rain on me. But I got to put a valve stem in this one front tire, so I'll let you watch me do how I do that. I'm not gonna take it off. I'm just gonna put it in. That one there broke off. I think I got a tennis ball or something in that caught up in it at the end of last year, and it broke my valve stem. But this grasshopper can run with 3 tires. It don't need both front ones aired up. So they stayed pretty level. So let me show you how I do that real quick. Alrighty then. I'm gonna break it down with an air hammer. Big flat chisel. The curved chisel works a little better than this though. Where's my valve stem? There. It's kind of hard to do on the tractor. Usually do it on the ground. There she goes. There she's popping. Oh yeah. See how I did with this. Going about an inch or so away from the valve stem, I'm gonna try to push this tire in past the valve stem. Just start playing. Oops. There you go, that closer. almost had it. Man, tell you what, maybe it needs to do the other way. There, we got it. She's out, boys. I'll throw that in the trash. Then I'll stick my new valve stem in there. I gotta go get it. Throw it over here. Put the old one in the trash. Pick up my new one. Might put a little bit of grease on that sucker. Spray a little bit of liquid wrench down here on the bottom side so that I can slip her in there, boys. They make a tool that screws on where your valve stem screws on to help pull them through, but I don't have one. So we'll see if I can get this little baby in there. It would help too if my arm wasn't injured. It kind of hurts doing this. But we gotta do what we gotta do, right? I gotta get me something to push that tire over with. This clamp's not doing it very good. Oh, that's not too bad. Let me see if I can get it in there. Come on, baby. I gotta get me a pry bar. Having all kinds of problems. Let's see if we can do it with this nail bar. Big old E-swing nail bar I got. She may do it. Get up here. Get up here, boy. Oh yeah, that's what I needed. That's exactly what I needed. It's what the doctor ordered right there. This damn thing here's in my way now. This is what the doctor ordered right there. I'll just take this pair of pliers and hang on to it there. Pull it in. Come on, baby. Oh, almost had it. Oh yeah, we got it. She's in. Now I need to air that baby up. We'll put her a little blast to it. She's not wanting to come back over my valve stem. Oh, there she goes. Need to make my air nozzle. We got her in, boys. I gotta go buy some new valve stem. That was my last one. It's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Come on, baby, get on the bead. Hopefully you get on the bead for the tire blows. I was painting the other day. I only got it on about 35, so they ain't putting very much air in very fast. Got my regulator turned down. That's enough air on that baby. We'll see if she holds. Probably got a leak. This tire probably leak. I need to get me a new squirter bottle for summer now. It might be leaking around that one of these plugs, or it might have a new hole in it. But ain't leaking on the valve stem no more, hope. We hope. This other one's flat too. Probably could use a new set of tires on the front of this. I'm gonna grease it. It ain't got no cap on this side. I just put enough pressure in when I think I like it. Oh yeah, this needs some grease. Probably could use bearings, but I'm running everything till it falls apart. When I desperately need it, you know, then I'm out there wishing I would have fixed it a long time ago. I usually just grab another mower though. Alright. This is a floor jack that I picked up a few months ago. Someone threw it out in the trash. Had a little pin inside this that hits the gear down there. It was broken. So I got a nail in it right now. I got to get me a new one. But it works still. We jacked up something with it yesterday. Kid used it to help him get his ball joint out of his truck. But yeah, let's see this thing is starting. I had to jump start it a while ago. Let's see if it'll start now. We got 464 hours.